Hi, my name is Gray. I'm a product designer and a houseplant enthusiast based in Singapore. And this is the GrowPole, the world's best moss pole support system for your climbing plants. As many plant lovers know, climbing plants do better when they get to climb, growing more lush, larger leaves, and in some dramatic species, unlock their gigantic form. Traditional moss poles don't retain moisture well, so the plants aren't truly secure and they don't flourish. They are hard to extend when the plant has reached the top, so you end up with a huge pole and a small plant, or a small pole with a huge plant. Installing a grow pole is easy. Just fold along the crease line, click it in place, and add the substrate of your choice. Here we are using tree fern fiber from fernwood. The grow pole is easy to shorten or extend based on your needs. To shorten a pole, simply trim it with a pair of scissors before assembly. To extend, just slide one into the other and add the substrate of your choice. Propagation couldn't be easier. Just trim the plant below the node and cut off the grow pole with it. After propagation, now we have two plants with no downtime because of the roots that are already healthily growing in the grow pole. Now you can extend the grow pole on the mother plant if you wish to. Just slide it in. You can also make the grow pole into a plant wall or a traditional 360-degree pole shape based on your needs. Just staple them together. The grow pole is also environmentally friendly, making use of recycled plastic where all the trimmings are also recycled at the factory instead of ending up in your local landfill. We have tested the grow pole extensively with beta testers, and we have engaged a manufacturer to start the manufacturing process. All we need is your help to spread the word and help your houseplant grow to their best potential. Thank you.